So today I will be covering how to use the inbox repair tool within Outlook. So this tool basically analyzes all the emails within Outlook and repairs them. An example of using this tool would be when you can't open a certain email, not being able to open certain folders, and also repairing PST files. So I'll show you how to use this tool. So if you navigate to the C drive, you navigate to Program Files, Office 16, Root folder, Office 16, and then if we search for Scan PST, I'm just going to open it up. So if we go and browse, open our PST file, and then click on Start. Now it's going to repair the file. Repair complete. So that's how you use the inbox repair tool. So if you liked my video, please subscribe to my channel, like our video, and share our content. Thank you.